Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the team of Cubes, and in this video, I will show you one of the best entry-level wireless gaming headphones from Logitech. So let's begin. This is the Logitech G435, which is a great option if you're on a budget, but you want a good sounding wireless gaming headset. This headphone has 40mm drivers, which sounds really nice. You can connect with 2.4 GHz USB dongle or Bluetooth, but if you want the best sound, I recommend the first option. Here comes the most important thing about this device, and this is the weight. This is only 165 grams, and it has a battery life of 18 hours. So this could be your best friend when you travel. You can charge it with a simple USB Type-C charging cable, which is included in the box. The whole headset is made out of plastic, but doesn't feel cheap, and it is very durable. There are some buttons on the downside and the back side of the left side, a power button, a volume control button, and a microphone mute button. It has a LED indicator, which shows you the battery level, and it is blinking when you pair it to a device. The sponges and the headband is comfortable, but this headphone is for smaller head people, so if you have a bigger head, I recommend not getting it. But if you have a smaller or mid-sized head, and you want a lightweight good sound quality, wireless headphone, this is a good option to get. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please click the like, and if you don't want to miss out other content, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye!